Hello again. Caught a little bit of the news, watched a little bit of the Fox, and I was surprised to see Hillary. She's on her campaign plane, and she's answering some reporters' questions. I guess I was into it for about 5 minutes, and then could I get a glass of water? I gotta leave. And then she disappeared to another part of the plane. This woman is deteriorating right in front of our eyes. One of my viewers sent me a rather interesting piece of information, and that kind of cough that she has could be from an enlarged heart. It also explains why she needs a lot of rest if she has an enlarged heart. This thing's insane. She's not gonna make it. There's 63 days to go. She's not gonna make it. The woman's gonna die right in front of us. But they don't care. I tried to Google, I wanted to attach a video of what I just saw on Fox, but I guess it isn't on the web yet, because it just happened. This is the 5th of September 2016. And like I said, you almost feel sorry for her. But I said almost. Yeah, she can't last much longer. And I don't know why the DNC's not facing reality. She's not going to make it. They got to put in their backup plan, whoever their backup plan is. You know what I think, and you know why I think what I think. I'll try Googling for that little video later on. If I find it, I'll attach it to this particular video in the link. Totally insane. I'll attach the full speech of Hillary Clinton coughing. You know, that's just for folks that might not have seen my other videos that I posted. I think this is the 3rd one on her coughing. Let me know what you think is wrong with her. Better yet, what's right with her?